Welcome to a delightful season filled with warmth and charm. As the leaves begin to change color and the air turns crisp, there's no better time to embrace the beauty of fall. In this video, we'll embark on an exciting journey exploring easy and beautiful fall decor ideas that you can implement in your home this year. Get ready to transform your living space into a cozy autumn retreat, overflowing with the inviting spirit of the season. From stunning centerpiece arrangements featuring natural elements to DIY projects that add a personal touch, we will cover a variety of creative solutions to make your home feel both warm and stylish. Discover how to incorporate seasonal colors, textures, and motifs that celebrate everything we love about autumn, ensuring your space is not only aesthetically pleasing but also welcoming for family and friends. Start by incorporating soft layers and textures into your living space. Begin with chunky knit blankets that provide warmth and coziness. These can be draped over sofas or armchairs to invite relaxation. Plaid throws not only add visual interest but also bring a classic autumn feel, perfect for curling up on chilly evenings. Warm-toned pillows in shades of rust, ochre, and amber will complement your space, instantly creating comfort and enhancing the seasonal charm. Next, consider bringing the outdoors inside by using natural elements that embody the essence of fall. Pumpkins in varying sizes can be arranged as a centerpiece, while pine cones can be scattered in bowls or used to fill vases, complemented by vibrant autumn leaves. These small yet impactful touches can be arranged on your entryway table, creating a welcoming atmosphere that highlights the beauty of the season. Candles and lanterns play a pivotal role in establishing a warm, golden glow throughout your home. Choose candles in rich fall colors such as burnt orange, mustard yellow, deep burgundy, and earthy browns. Not only do these hues evoke the spirit of fall, but they also create a timeless seasonal palette. Arrange candles on mantels, dining tables, or coffee tables to invite a soothing ambience perfect for gatherings or quiet evenings at home. Don't forget your dining table. A simple yet elegant fall centerpiece with greenery, candles, and seasonal accents can set the perfect mood for gatherings. And if you want a modern touch to your fall decor, consider blending in metallic decor pieces such as gold or copper accents. These shiny elements beautifully complement the rich, rustic textures typically associated with the fall season. Think warm woods, cozy textiles, and natural fibers. The contrast between the sleek, reflective surfaces of metallics and the earthy, organic feel of rustic elements creates a visually stunning and balanced decor style. Whether your preference leans towards a cozy rustic vibe, characterized by elements like plaid blankets, pumpkin centerpieces, and handmade crafts, or a chic modern look that might include geometric shapes, minimalist arrangements, and sophisticated color palettes, these ideas will guide you on how to celebrate fall in style. Incorporating both styles can create an inviting atmosphere that welcomes the essence of autumn. By interspersing modern pieces with traditional fall staples, you can curate a space that feels warm and inviting yet stylishly contemporary. So, get inspired and start decorating. Your perfect autumn home awaits. With careful consideration of textures, colors, and decor pieces, you'll transform your living space into a seasonal haven that reflects both comfort and elegance. Embrace the journey of decorating this fall, and let your creativity shine as you create an ambience that your family and friends will love.